Alright guys, so if you are a teacher creating online lessons, a trainer onboarding new team members, a remote team sharing updates, or a content creator, or maybe you are into marketing and sales, Dadan can be useful in all these scenarios. So it's like Loom but smarter. Like Dadan is an AI-powered web video creation and recording tool that lets you edit, host, and streamline your workflow. You can generate transcription, video chapter, summaries, plus you can add interactive elements like quizzes, call to action to keep your viewer hooked. So in this video, I'll give you a full demo and review of Dadan. The link to try it out is in the description of this video, so you can check it out or follow along with me. So guys, here is the home page. So on the left hand side, you will see the create button along with options like library, playlist, and meeting recording. So the first thing you will need is the Dadan browser extension. When you open Dadan for the first time, it will prompt you to download it. So once installed, you can customize your recording setting, like choose between screen and cam or screen only, and you can also switch your camera and microphone. In my plan, I can record up to 1080p. So on the bottom left, you can see your camera preview. Here you can resize it, make it smaller, bigger, square, or full screen, and you can move it anywhere on the screen. Now from the little human icon, you can even swap your live video for a photo. Just upload an image and it will replace your face cam with that image. So now let's start recording. Click start recording, choose what you want to share, your entire screen, window, or just tab, and then start recording. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Now with this bar, I can control my recording. For example, with this pen icon, I can draw on the screen. Let's try drawing a face. Yeah, I'm really bad at drawing. This is really bad. Let's add a little bit here. Now if you want to remove anything, just click on erase and it will vanish. Now I can change colors from here. Next, I can insert a text field. I can write anything on it. For now, I'll write maybe Dadan review. So this feature is great for explaining what's happening on the screen or like highlighting key points. So it's definitely useful to have. So there are more features too, like take this torch icon. It puts a spotlight on my cursor so I can clearly show viewers exactly what I want them to focus on. You can also switch the cursor from normal to highlighted one. This is the normal one. Then here's the highlighted one, which really helps guide the viewer's eye. So it's perfect for tutorials. You can also enable or disable mic right from here. Also you can disable enable camera. Also you can pause the recording and stop the recording. And also you can move this cam and bar to anywhere you like. So for now, I'll stop this recording, and once you stop, the video is automatically saved to your personal library and you can download it straight to your computer. So now let's come to editing and library. So inside your library, click on any video that you have recorded to open the edit tab. On the right, you'll see all the available features. So let's start with transcription. Select your language. In my case, it's English. So the processing time actually depends on video size, but mine was very quick. Transcription was accurate, and if you spot mistakes, you can edit them directly over here. So it even shows timestamps so viewer can read along or jump to specific parts. So with this AI feature, you can also generate like auto-generate titles. Like I didn't even tell it my topic, but it gave me the perfect like title based on my content. And just like YouTube, you can add tags. So also you have the option of summary and notes. Like I'm very curious about translation. Let's check it out. So there are many languages available you can choose from. Let's translate this into maybe Hindi. So that was like very quick. Now in video settings under captions, you can see Hindi is available. Now let's check out the editing tools. So editing here is obviously very simple, very basic, but I think it's enough for screen recordings. It's like you can add emojis or maybe stickers anywhere in the timeline. Like you can add text and you can trim clips. Obviously here my favorite feature is the blur one. So you can like blur anything you don't want to show, like phone number, address. You can adjust its position and length. There's also zoom, which lets you zoom into a specific part of the video. Now coming back, in privacy settings, you can control things like allowing downloads, reaction, and whether to show analytics. So one feature I really like is the call to action button. Like for example, I can add a green button saying visit my YouTube channel and link it to my channel and drop a link over here. Then I'm going to choose a round style and set it to appear between 5 to 10 seconds. One thing, I wish I could drag it anywhere, but like you have to choose from preset positions. Like you can move it vertically and horizontally, and still it works and viewers can click directly on it. I like my button color to be green, so let's keep it that way. Text is white. Now in button style, I think I like the rounded one. And obviously I don't want to show it for the entire video, so let's go with a specific period. So I'll keep it in between 5 to 10 second mark. Now you can see the call to action pops up at 5-second mark, and also people can click on it, which will open my YouTube channel. Then you can generate thumbnails. Also you can add interactions to make your video more engaging. Like for example, I can add polls or questions for people watching this video, and this can be great for educational or community videos where your students and viewers can engage and connect more with the video. So let's add a interaction like true or false. You can also add feedback for correct and wrong answer. Let's see how it works. Oh wow, it's like a pop-up box where the video is paused in the background and you can answer this or skip it, but it's better to add a feedback note so that people understands whether they're correct or wrong. There's also an option to create chapters like we have on YouTube, and you can also collect leads directly from the video and connect with different platforms like MailChimp and many more others. Then I can see my video inside, how many views it got, CTA clicks, view rate. So it's a good thing to have to check how my video is performing. So on the left side you can see all the video details. I added few tags, people can drop their comments here. So I currently don't have a description, so let's generate one with the AI. Let me see how good it is. Alright, it gave me a good description, I guess, based on my video content. So I'm just gonna stick with this description. Now let's talk about a really useful feature for educators and trainers. That is the LMS integration. So once your video is ready, you can easily share it directly to platforms like Google Classroom. So it's good for managing and distributing learning content. So for that you need a Google Classroom account, create a class, and then here you can simply click on share. So I have just created one class in Classroom. So it will show me just one here. So make sure your correct Google Classroom account is logged in, and you can see that in the top right corner. So once you select your class, then you can choose your action. I will go with create material and proceed. Here you can change the title and description and attach files, then simply assign to all students, choose the topic and post. That's it. And one more important feature that I want to try out is the video recording request. So you can find it on the homepage, click on create and it will be here. Maybe you want someone to record the screen doing the assignment, homework or anything else, then just simply click on this, give it a title and give them recording instruction. For now let's keep the title as Dadan review, share your experience. And for the instruction, I think this is perfect. You can allow them to submit multiple responses, and in advanced mode you can give them a deadline. So let's just create the recording link. Now all you have to do is just share the link. Let's open this up. Here they can choose how they would like to record, and the instruction we gave is clearly visible on top. So let's record. Okay, so to record the video, the other person would also need to create a Dadan account. This is a little frustrating, but yeah, that's how it works. But it's a little frustrating, man. I think Dadan needs to fix this. And they also have meeting recording. So you can just simply drop the link of your upcoming meetings and Dadan will record the video of the meeting. So guys, that's all about Dadan. I have given the link of Dadan in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, and if I missed out on anything, please do comment down below. I'll try to make a separate video on that. So guys, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more SaaS and AI related content. And obviously drop a like guys, this will help my small channel grow. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.